All right, we're back at the house. We basically finished everything when it comes to demo day. At this point now, it's kind of at the stage where we rebuild it. So Kylie is wiping down the walls with a sponge. I am sanding walls, and then we're gonna put some mud over them and retexture all them and get everything looking right.
We are in the process of repairing. Oh, it's just a lot of work, but...
Wow! Damn. Big piece of wood.
The grunt.
So we gotta cut this wood. Jam it in there, and then we're gonna put more sheetrock over it, lather a little mud on it, fix this with some mud, and voila.
Voila. I am the screw hander. No one should leave us alone together.
Oh my god, where's the dang split?
Alright, just finished up for the day. It's been another long day of shiz. We started very tired. Not as late as last night, it's like 11:30, but still a long day. Tim, myself, and Kylie's dad started texturing the ceilings. So we got 2 bedrooms done. They're not painted yet, so it still looks a little odd, but looking a lot better. Way better than the popcorn ceiling. So we got 2 bedrooms done. Still have a lot to go. Hopefully we'll finish that tomorrow. We had some problems with the texture machine, so that really...
I like your hair.
They're laughing at me.
Very loud.
Anyways, we had some problems with the texture gun, so we only got 2 bedrooms done. So hopefully tomorrow we can get that figured out a little better and knock the rest of the house out.
Knock it out.
Almost done. Woo! All right, we are back at the house. Gotta finish mudding and bedding and taping some areas, but first we are going to take care of this massive mess, or at least try to. We have so much junk that's piled up, and it's becoming a little ridiculous how much we have. So we're gonna pile as much as we can in Tim's truck and try and take that to the dump, but yeah, it's a lot, so who knows how much we'll be able to get. But gotta get started on it because it's getting to be quite big. Alright, so we got about as much in Tim's truck as we can. We had to put on masks because this dust was flying everywhere, so figured we go ahead and play it safe, put the masks on, but still got some left in the garage. Still a ton here, but feels good to make a little progress on that because that was getting to be a lot. But now we gotta go finish mudding the walls, do a little bedding and taping.
Oh yeah.
So we are in the process of spraying, texturing all the ceilings, and we ran out of stuff, so gotta buy some more mud. Taking a quick Lowe's break, hanging out, looking at some stuff.
Trying to raise our spirits by looking at the fun stuff.
Woo! Yeah, we're all really tired. Our bodies are deteriorating and we are falling ill. But it's coming along nicely. We're getting there. We're almost done with this one project. We still have days and months to go for this entire reno, but
Days, please just be days.
all right, we made it back from Lowe's. It's now very dark and very late, but we got this dope little light. So now we can work through the wee hours of the night.
Wee hours of the night.
It's the wee hours of the night, yeah?
Bronson, what did you do? Ah!
I'm an idiot.
He flung it all over. Let me see your hair. All over the soap and all over the ground. You big dummy. Don't touch it.
The worst part about all this, yeah, I gotta get all this up so it's like a big mess. But it's also kind of fun. This water is getting dangerously close to my phone, so I'm gonna go. Today is a very exciting day because we are almost done with the texturing, which means that all the fun stuff comes after that. It's also exciting because I'm wearing shorts, feeling flexible.
Party shorts. I'm not.
So we're gonna finish texturing. We have one bathroom left and then the living room. The living room is definitely gonna be the hardest part because of the beams and it's bolted, but it should only take a couple hours. Get it done.
And then our painting party. Woo!
Alright, we finally finished texturing the whole house. It was a pain in the butt. We finally got it though after many days of work, so feels really good. Now it's all uphill from here. Time to do the fun stuff like painting and redoing the bathrooms and the kitchen, so things are looking up. Woo! Alright, so after we demoed the property and scraped all the ceilings, we had to retexture them. And then there were also some areas in the walls that we had to patch up from where we tore down the pony wall. We had to buy quite a few things to get this done, but now I am out here in my garage and I'm gonna walk you through the budget and how much it costs to do it. So as we were doing this, I was keeping all the receipts, so I've got probably like 10 or 15 receipts here. I also have it all on a spreadsheet on my computer. So on the computer I have the total number of what we've spent, and then the receipts just has every individual purchase. So I went through all the receipts and found all the individual purchases and kind of wrote them out so I can break it down for you one by one how much it cost to kind of repair after all the demo that we did. So in order to do this, the first thing that we went and bought was mud. So we had to buy 3 4.5 gallon boxes of mud, and then at the end we needed to buy 1 small box of mud. So the 4.5 gallon cost $14.86 each, and we had 3 of those. In the small box, we only need 1 of them, and that was $8.86. We had to get a big packet of paper towels, that cost $14.68. We needed hefty trash bags, hefty, needed them big. That cost $12.98. We needed to get pine sol and some vinegar for cleaning. That total cost $14.51. We needed a drywall sand screen. That cost $6.28. We needed 80 grit drywall sandpaper. That cost $4.48. We needed some sponges for cleaning. That cost $11.23. Then we had to actually buy a sheet of drywall. That cost $18.28. And then we were working late at night, so we had to buy a clamp light that we could clamp and shine places. So that cost $10.48. And then labor. So I have all my friends helping me out. So obviously it's really cheap labor, so I don't have to actually pay real labor. So it's not a real labor expense, but bought a bunch of tacos, so I figured I'd throw that in the budget. So $14.30 was how much it cost in labor. Pretty good price right there. So total spent $160.60 on the labor and the supplies, and then throw tax in there, and total it cost us $183 to get this done. So we retextured the walls, we repaired drywall and all the sheetrock that was messed up. We did a good clean of the property, In total, cost us $183. So for everyone asking if I could break down the budget, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, I really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all next time when we paint the house.